Hello, welcome friends. In today's session, we are going to do some practice work for continuous perfect future tense. Are you all ready? I have given you 4 sentences on this whiteboard, friends. We have already discussed and learned these tense in our last session. But before we do the practice work, I would like to remind you, I would like to tell you that shall have been or will have been. They are the helping verbs for this tense, and the main verb for this tense is verb with ing, friends. Since, for and since when, these are the keywords. Reference of time is given. So all these sentences are from continuous perfect future tense, friends. In the exam, you may be given the topic like this: fill in the gaps with the appropriate form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now the first sentence reads, when we reach Delhi, we dash for 11 hours. I have given travel in the bracket. So the answer will be, just think, you know the correct answer. When we reach Delhi, we shall have been traveling. We shall have been traveling for 11 hours. Now the second sentence is, by next month, we dash here for 2 years. So we shall have been living. We shall have been living here. Now the third sentence is, this is interrogative sentence, simple interrogative sentence. The answer of this question is always yes or no, friend. So dash Soumya dash TV for 2 hours. When you reach home, in the bracket I have given a watch. So the answer will be as per the formula I have taught you earlier in our earlier video. So will Soumya have been watching? Will Soumya have been watching TV for 2 hours when you reach home? This is continuous perfect future, friends. And the last sentence is, he dashed an English novel for 2 hours when his mother returns. So for 2 hours is a keyword. When his mother returns, so he will have been reading an English novel for 2 hours. 2 hours when his mother comes or when his mother returns. So he will have been. He will have been reading an English novel for 2 hours when his mother returns. So, this is also very easy, but in our day-to-day use, remember friend, we hardly use this tense. However, I have tried to clarify, I have tried to teach you this tense in the easiest way. I have given you the keywords, I have given you the formula, stick to that formula. Did you like this video, friends? Do like this video, friend. Please do like our video and do send us your comments also about our video on this video. And share this video with your friends, with your relatives, those who are interested to improvise knowledge of English. At the same time, Do subscribe our channel for more and more updates, friend. Actually, how can we come to know whether you are enjoying this video or not? If you want to send us your suggestions, don't hesitate. Do send us your suggestion. You also suggest us the ways in which we can improve the system, that will be helpful to us, friends. We do have high regards for all of you, friends. And rest assured that today we have completed 12 dances, but lots of things are there on the way that you have to learn, friends. Because we have decided to share our perspiration, we have decided to work day in and day out for you people. But we want a little work. We want you to do some homework at home. So friend, be with us, and definitely we are meeting in our next session. In the meanwhile, bye friends.